Welcome to the future! The Nano Banana Pro is here to change the game. Ready to explore? First up, holographic displays. Immerse yourself in a world of 3D visuals that pop. Next, photo editing redefined. Capture and enhance images with just a flick. Unleash your creativity. Design graphics right on the go with seamless mobile applications. Health monitoring made easy. Track your vitals and get alerts in real time. Finally, enjoy gaming like never before with ultra-responsive controls and stunning graphics. These are just a few of the amazing features. Imagine what else you can do. Join the Nano Banana community and share your own creations. Stay tuned for more updates and innovations coming your way. Experience the power of Nano Banana Pro today and upgrade your lifestyle. Ready to start the adventure? Dive in now! Thank you for watching! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe!